Toastmaster, fellow Toastmaster, and welcomed guests. This was me when I was a kid. Anger. I never used to control anger. I used to get into anger very easily and very quickly. Friends, anger is a deluded mind that focuses on animate and inanimate objects, feels it to be unattractive, and exaggerates its bad qualities and wishes to harm it. For example, when we are angry with our partner, at that moment he or she looks unattractive, unpleasant, and we then exaggerate their bad qualities by focusing on only the things that irritates us, by ignoring their bad qualities and kindness. So we then wishes to harm them in some way by criticizing, by disparaging them, or throwing things at them. Because it is based on exaggeration, anger is, my dear friends, anger is an unrealistic mind. So I would like to tell some incidents where I got into anger and consequences for this, and how I eschewed my anger. So when I was in 12th standard, I was worrying that I am being shot, and most in college. Apart from that, in my college, my friends, they used to say that I am very short, and they used to say tell number of comments. So like after going home, I really get upset. Whenever I start studying, I turn pages, but I was not able to control my studies. So I used to throw the things, and my parents, they never used to control me. It was very tough. So and when I was in 7th standard, another incident, I used to get very angry with my sister. We used to fight. So in one party, we are going to one party, and I dressed very nicely, and I got a new pair of slippers, and I was walking on the road. My sister was walking behind me, and suddenly she stepped on me, and my slippers got broken, and I fell down, and I wanted to throw the slipper at my sister, but I stopped. My dear friends, in our culture, throwing slipper at someone is unpardonable. So we went to the party, and still we were fighting. I was very got upset, and still I'm fighting with my sister. So my parents didn't like it, and we came out of the party without having dinner. So that is because of my anger. Another incident was, after a few weeks, we had a long weekend. We wanted to go out, enjoy, and in the early morning I got up, and my mother wanted me to take shower. So friends, at that time we didn't used to have hot water facilities in our home. So we used to boil the water outside with the use of firewoods. So I and my sister helped my mother boiling the water, and and we were like putting the more fire, so that it will boil a lot. And meanwhile, my sister told me something, and I got angry. I hit her, she hit me, and we were in the house running around, hitting and fighting. And my mother saw that water got boiled, and she was carrying that in a vessel, and she was entering into the house. Meanwhile, I was like fighting, and I was blind with rage, and I crashed into my mother. All the water fell on me, and I got really, my chest got burnt really bad, and I was hospitalized for 2 days. So that is, friends, that is because of my anger. So there was another incident where I got very angry, and I was driving the cycle with frustration, and I was driving very fast, and I fell down, and I got really hurt. So that is also because of my anger. So after that incident, my parents, my brothers, and well-wishers, they all told me that I should stop getting angry. It will only hurt you. If you want real happiness, you should make an effort to take out anger, poison of anger from your mind. So, and also they said, they said that problem of being short is not a problem, because there are many people who are short and who made it very big, I mean became very famous. For example, Sachin Tendulkar, he is very short and he became very famous personality in sport of cricket in India. So all these things I realized, and I was getting better, and during my engineering time I was like getting better and better. I used to control my anger, and in 4 years of my engineering I only fought with one guy, one friend. That is because of that was a real improvement. So, and presently it is helping. For example, I will tell you one incident that happened with my wife. She asked me to go to a grocery store. She was very busy at that time, and she asked me to go, and I went to grocery store. I brought all the things except one thing that was very important at that time for cooking. She went really, I mean she was like, you upset my cooking now, that was very important, we don't have time, what we should do? And she was yelling at me, and I controlled. I just wanted to pass that moment away and just smiled at her, and so, and later on everything was cool. So otherwise I would have thrown things at her, so that helped me a lot. And so with this, my dear friends, for 1 minute of anger we lose 60 seconds of happiness. Once again, for 1 minute of anger we lose 60 seconds of happiness. Namaste. Over to Toastmaster.